Small blue diamond introduction. Ball bearings are among the most widely used components in mechanical systems. From electric motors to automotive assemblies, nearly every rotating machine relies on them. In this video, we will cover the importance of ball bearings, their types, materials, and real-world industrial applications. Ball bearings are mechanical elements designed to reduce rotational friction and support both radial and axial loads. They operate by replacing sliding contact with rolling contact using spherical rolling elements. This significantly reduces friction, heat generation, and wear, thereby improving efficiency and extending service life.
Ball bearings are mechanical elements designed to reduce rotational friction and support both radial and axial loads. They operate by replacing sliding contact with rolling contact using spherical rolling elements. This significantly reduces friction, heat generation, and wear, thereby improving efficiency and extending service life. In practical engineering, friction is one of the primary causes of energy loss and component failure. Ball bearings play a critical role in enabling smooth rotation, supporting high-speed operation, reducing maintenance requirements, enhancing machine reliability. Material selection is critical for bearing performance. Chrome steel, SAE 52100, the most commonly used material due to its high hardness and fatigue strength. Stainless steel, AISI 440C, offers corrosion resistance in harsh environments. Ceramic materials, silicon nitride, provide lower weight, higher hardness, and excellent performance at high speeds and temperatures. Other materials include polymers and specialty alloys for cages and specific environments. Types of ball bearings. 1. Deep groove ball bearings. The most versatile and widely used type, capable of handling radial and moderate axial loads. Common in electric motors and general machinery. 2. Angular contact ball bearings. Designed to support combined radial and axial loads. Used in high-speed and precision applications such as machine tools. 3. Thrust ball bearings. Designed specifically for axial loads. They are not suitable for radial loading conditions. 4. Self-aligning ball bearings. These bearings accommodate shaft misalignment. They are used where deflection or mounting errors are expected. Ball bearings are used across multiple industries, including automotive systems, industrial machinery such as motors, pumps, gearboxes, agricultural equipment, consumer appliances. Small blue diamond manufacturers. Top 10 bearing brands are 1. Keycap SKF, global leader, premium quality. 2. Keycap NSK, high precision plus reliability. 3. Keycap NTN, automotive specialist. 4. Keycap Schaeffler Group, FAG or ENA brands, top performance. 5. Keycap Timken Company, heavy load experts. 6. Keycap JTEKT, Koyo brand, strong in industry. 7. Keycap Nachi Fujikoshi, precision plus tooling integration. 8. Keycap RBC Bearings, aerospace applications. 9. Keycap NRB Bearings Limited, strong Indian automotive presence. Keycaptain National Engineering Industries Limited, NBC Bearings, India leader. Different brands, different strengths. Selection depends on load, speed or application. Ball bearing manufacturing involves high-precision processes. Forging or forming, heat treatment, grinding, and finishing, lapping for surface accuracy, assembly, lubrication, and sealing. These processes ensure high dimensional accuracy and durability. Although small in size, ball bearings have a significant impact on machine performance and reliability. Selecting the appropriate type and material of ball bearing is essential for efficient and long-lasting operation. For detailed breakdowns of each type, refer to our short format videos. Engineers don't just select bearing type, they select brand based on performance history. We are also excited to announce that we will soon be starting live YouTube sessions on SolidWorks 2026. These sessions will focus on real mechanical design, practical modeling, and industry-level workflows. If you are serious about becoming a design engineer and to be part of our live sessions, please subscribe to our channel and register for free on our website, https://sgcatechedu.com. Simply fill out the contact form with your details, so we can send you notifications and joining links for the upcoming SolidWorks 2026 live sessions. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and stay tuned. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel. Like and share among your friends or coworker the video and leave your comments. Your feedback helps us improve the quality of our content and create more practical engineering videos for you.